Hi, my name is Segaran. We are from 3DCPA and today we would like to do an experiment. This is my teammate.
My name is Saranaj.
My name is Yogi.
My name is Mihima. Today we are going to do an experiment about exoblade heat conduction.
There are three different ways heat can get transferred. Through conduction, radiation and convection. What we are going to do today is about conduction. What is conduction? Conduction is the transfer of energy through direct contact. Conducting is also a way that heat can move from one end to another end.
Materials used in this experiment: lighting, exoblade, candle, iron nail, wooden block. The objective of this experiment is to understand the concept of thermal conductivity.
My name is Segaran. Today I will be conducting the experiment of simple conduction using hexablade with nails, a wooden block and a candle. Okay. As you can see, the candle is first light up and the wax from the candle will be melted and stick on the hexablade. Hence, this makes a perfect way for the nail to be sticked on the hexablade. As you can see, the nail does not drop from the hexablade. All the nails has been sticked onto the hexablade. Now the hexablade is slowly placed underneath the stick, the wooden block. Next, the heat will be placed near the hexablade.
If you make one side hot, the atom make the next atom hot and it continues.
It takes time for the heat to travel from one end to another end because the heat is also getting dissipated. As you can see, the first nail has been dropped from the hexablade. As the heat is being travelled, the second nail followed by the third nail till the last nail will be dropped. All nail has been dropped now. This is the last nail that has been sticked to the hexablade.
If you make one side hot, the atom make the next atom hot and it continues. Conducting is a way that heat can move from one place to another.
Now the heat is slowly being dissipated till the end of the hexablade. This is the last nail. As you can see, the hacksaw blade at the top of the surface has been turned black. This shows that the heat has been slowly transferred from the end of the hacksaw blade to the middle part of the hacksaw blade. This can prove that all the nails has enough heat until the nail has dropped down.
As you can see, all the nails has been folded. This shows that simple conduction has occurred from this end of the blade until this end of the blade. Heat has been dissipated.
Okay, this shows that the law of heat conduction is also known as Fourier's law has been proven. The theory states that the transfer of thermal energy between neighboring molecules in a substance due to temperature gradient. This experiment proves the theory. That is all from us. Thank you.